everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is NFRA and KSCAA jointly organized outreach program in Bengaluru on creating a better financial reporting ecosystem. The National Financial Reporting Authority (NFRA) organized a one-day outreach program and workshop in Bengaluru on 10th January 2026 jointly with the Karnataka State Chartered Accountants Association (KSCAA). The outreach program was inaugurated by Shri Nitin Gupta, Chairperson NFRA, who acknowledged the significant contribution of the chartered accountancy profession to India's growth and development over past several decades. Shri Gupta also appreciated the proactive role of KSCAA in strengthening the skills and capabilities of its members. He emphasized the need for Indian audit firms, including SMPS, to continuously enhance their competencies to become globally competitive, particularly in the audit and large and complex entities. The Bengaluru program witnessed participation from a large number of audit practitioners, including professionals from small and medium audit practitioners, as well as large audit firms. The diverse participation facilitated meaningful interactions, exchange of perspectives, and discussions on audit quality challenges across firms of varying sizes, thereby enriching the overall deliberations. Shri P. Daniel, full-time member, NFRA, also addressed the participants and spoke about NFRA's audit inspection framework and the role of inspections in improving audit quality. He highlighted how inspection findings serve as important feedback mechanisms for audit firms and contribute to strengthening systems, processes, and professional judgment. The outreach program included focused technical sessions on key aspects of audit practice, including audit strategy documentation, audit samplings, risk of material misstatements, and concluding the audit. These sessions aimed to providing practical insights for improving audit quality in day-to-day professional work. NFRA has been organized a series of stakeholder outreach programs and workshops for audit practitioners under its theme creating better financial reporting ecosystem with the objective of strengthening audit quality and enhancing professional capacity across the country. As part of this initiative, NFRA has also conducted outreach programs at Hyderabad from 26 September 2025 and Indore from 6 October 2025. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.